Hey guys, so I bought a body camera. Uh, I think it's a Boblov brand. I never bought that brand before, so it's new to me. Boblov, I think it is. Supposedly is the brand that cops use. Uh, it might be true, I don't know for sure, but it seemed to have high ratings on Amazon, so I bought it. And I'm gonna open it right now. It's a smaller box than I expected, but I'm gonna open this one too. This is the let's see, I have the name of the brand right here. Yeah, Boblov. It's a strange name for a camera, but supposedly it's like I said, supposedly some cops use it. I don't know if that's true or not. It has night vision. I used to have a smaller camera that had night vision also, but the clip in the back broke and I couldn't put it on my shirt anymore. It cost me like $40. It was pretty good actually. I really like that camera, and it was pretty cheap for $40. So I thought it was a good price. So that's a charger. It's pretty small on the pictures. It seems to be larger, but no, it's actually fits on my medium-sized hand. I calculate it's like see, maybe like 3 inches long at most, and 2 inches across. So it's pretty small. It has an LCD display in the back. It can run up to between 10 and 12 hours. This is one of the clips that you put in the back. It's a strange looking clip. It's kind of like, as you can see, it's kind of it has kind of an arc. I turn on the flash. So a strange looking clip. I'm not sure how this part, of course, is to clip to a shirt, maybe from under or from the top. This is new. This right here, I'm gonna have to look at the instructions to know how you hook this up to the camera. this is pretty cannot move this. It's pretty stiff. It's a charger. This is a USB. It has the bigger. Is that called mini USB, or I think it's called mini USB? I'm not sure. It's the old. It's not the new USB-C. Which I would prefer if it was USB-C, but it's the older one. I think it's called a mini USB or something. It doesn't come with the. This model doesn't come with the memory card. This is the pop, the memory card, and this is the other clip. It's a smaller one. So this one accepts up to I think 128 gigabytes. So I think it's 128 maximum. All the specs. It has 6 infrared lights, and it has this. It has these buttons to play the movies on the display. This is microphone, power. I'm not sure what this button is. It's supposed to be rain resistant also. Okay, so there it is. I'm going to use it in my job and see how it works, and I'm going to make a review later on about it.